Hello guys, this is me again. Hello guys, this is me again taking this video. We are now in the sakura or the cherry blossom flower here in the river bank. There is a river there. Today is cloudy, but today is hello everybody, this is me again, Maman Kulerni. I'm here taking the picture of the sakura or cherry blossom here in my place. This is river bank. There is a river there over there, and there is a building and the bridges over there. There are plenty of people here walking and taking a video and also a picture. There's an Indian or Sri Lanka over there, and Chinese and any foreigners here. Plenty of foreigners there. And there's over there is the Kawasaki city, and they're talking about what is it, sakura. And anyway, because today is the temperature is 19 degrees, and Go is crying because the wind is strong, and tomorrow is also sunny and cloudy and rainy, I think. And in other places there is a strong rain, and in the mountain the snow, it will rain the snow, it will rain a snow this night. Here is okay. I am going to over there. Just wait for a moment. And this is very long. Over there until there. The sakura is until there. The sakura is until there. I think, yeah. The sakura is until there. Here. So this is it. Yeah. Okay. Here is the parking. This is the park, the tennis, the baseball ground. There's a sport ground here, and you see there is a family playing the ball. This is the soccer. So we are going to home now because I'm not safety here. Okay, I hope you enjoy watching my simple video about the sakura cherry blossom blooming or festival here. There's no people picnic under the tree because of the coronavirus. They are taking only a picture in a short minute times and going back to their place, their home, and they're walking and watching only, not staying. And because we are not allowed to stay longer, this is it. God bless you. And that is the Tamagawa river over there. Tamagawa over, and this is a tennis player, and you see the blue sheet, that is the homeless house. And thank you again. Thank you for watching us. Ko is crying. Ko, let's go. Kairo yo. Kaze nga tsuyoii kara kairitai. Kairitai ite. Thank you. At least and help. Bye bye.